I really like this vanity, guys. I think it's so beautiful, so practical, and I really like it. I super recommend.
Hi guys! I received this really big package and I'm so excited for this package. I really like it, decorate my home. So I show you how it look like. So let's see.
Guys, this is a white big vanity and I'm so excited for see how it look like this vanity with my makeup and skincare and all the things that I love to put in a vanity. And first of all, that I would like to tell you is super easy to install. Guys, it has so many drawers and space. I really like it because I can put my makeup, my skincare and all the things that I would like to put in one place. And guys, it also comes with this beautiful chair that also is a storage chair for put more things. It's come with this adjustable part for more space.